Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily transform your images into stunning animated videos using the Runway ML AI tool. Whether it's a creative project or just for fun, this guide will help you bring your ideas to life. Let's dive right in. First, start by generating images using an app like CapCut, which has a built-in text-to-image feature. Open the CapCut app and select this option. Write a description of what you'd like to create. For example, a student reading a book. The app will generate several images based on your description. Once you've found the one you like, upscale it to enhance the quality and save it to your gallery. Now comes the fun part, animating your image. Open the Runway ML app, which you can download using the link provided in the description. Log in using your Google or app account and navigate to the Image to Video option. From here, upload the image you saved earlier. Then enter a short description or prompt to guide the animation, such as a small smiling student in motion. Click Generate and let the AI work its magic. Once the process is complete, your animated video will be automatically saved to your library. You can preview it and download it to your gallery for sharing or further editing. And there you have it, a quick and creative way to transform your static images into dynamic animated videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.